All right, my friends, in this video, we're going to go through the process of setting up a new week for the upcoming trading week. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're probably going to see, a previous week or whatever here, and you're going to just click new under trading weeks. You're just going to select new. So let's go ahead and make the trading week for the week of Monday, April 18th to Friday, April 22nd. So we're going to go ahead and click those dates. End date 22. So now we have that sort of saved right here. And then we're going to just rename this April 18 to April 22, 2022. Awesome. So as you can see, this is already starting to be mostly filled out. We're going to click on trading week. And the weekly startup process is outlined in the main page. So right here, you can see the weekly startup process right here, right? So it literally outlines everything. So each week you'll need to set up the journal by clicking the new button in the Trading Weeks database embedded under the heading Trading Dashboard below. So that's right here, right? By clicking the new button. So we just did that. Then what are we going to want to do? When a page pops up, we're going to apply the template. I already did that. And then we're going to fill out the property start date and end date. I already did that. At the top of the page where it says untitled, name it in this manner using the dates for that trading week. I already did that. So these steps are all finished. Now we're going to return to this dashboard and update the filter in the Trading Days database. Okay, so in the Trading Days database, update the filter. So you're going to click the filter, go to the rules, and update it so that the trading week contains not March 28th to April 1st, but the week that we actually want, which is the one that we just made, April 18 to April 22. Once you have too many to kind of see them here, just start typing and it'll narrow it down. There we go. Then we also want to remove the old week. And now it's only showing us days that belong to this week. The problem is we haven't made any days. So once we've updated the filter, you can click out of this, and then you can click away for the word filter. And now we have this section here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click new, and you're going to notice that the trading week that is assigned to this page is already automatically that because of the way that we just updated that filter. So what are we going to do? We're going to change the day to April 18. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it here. Really, really easy. Okay. That's all you have to do. And you can apply the template as well. This page is now ready to go. What I like to do is I will duplicate this page. And then now we have a new one. But instead of having two April 18th, we're just going to change this one to the 19th and change this 8 to a 9. Okay. Now we're going to duplicate this one. And we're going to change the date to the 20th and change the date to the 20th. Awesome. And we're going to just keep on trucking right along. Change the date to the 21st and change this 0 to a 1. And duplicate that one last time. And change this to a 2 and change this to 22. And that's it. Now we can go back to our template, collapse these instructions. And as you can see, we have all 5 days right here. The alternative way, if you didn't want to do the duplication, is if you delete and delete and delete and delete, is you can just come back here in between each one and you can choose April 19, copy, paste, add template, click out, click next, change the date, April 20th, copy, paste, apply the template, click out, change the date, April 21, copy, paste, apply the template, click out, and finally, April 22, copy, paste, click out. And there's the same thing, right? So either way, we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and you always want to make sure Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because this date is not actually pulling from this. It's not pulling from this. It's pulling from this. So as you can see, if I forgot to change this, this is going to be incorrect. And it's going to say Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So this one is wrong. And that's why it's out of order. So it goes 18, 19, and then 20 is way over here because it's actually organized by that date property. So you just want to make sure that you always have the correct dates on everything, right? And now it's going to be correct. So always make sure that it's in order and it's got the right dates and you did it all correctly. Now you're pretty much ready to go. So that is how you set up for a new week. You create the week. And again, this will appear, this week of 18 to 22 will appear here once it matches this filter criteria, which is the start date is within the past month, or the start date is tomorrow. So typically I do this on a Sunday, so that's why it says tomorrow. But because today in real life is actually Saturday at the time of this recording, tomorrow is only Sunday, and the day of the April 18th is actually 2 days from now. So if I change this to is within the next week, then all of a sudden, there you go. Now it's going to match the filter criteria and it's going to be there. So if you ever create a page and it's not visible, that's probably because it's being filtered out. And so you want to click filter and you want to click the rules and make sure that whatever you have is applicable. Otherwise, just wait. So in this previous example where this said is tomorrow, I don't necessarily need this button to be visible for the next day. I can wait until tomorrow, in which case it will match the filter criteria and it will appear here alongside this page as well. So hopefully that helps clear things up. This one will get dropped off the filter once the start date is no longer within the past month. So that's going to be that should be the past week. So once it's no longer within the last week, you don't see it anymore, right? So because today is April 16th at the time of this recording, we no longer see that, but I changed it to the past month so that I could see this particular week for the purposes of this video. So anyway, anytime you're missing a page or you can't find it, the easiest way to find it is to actually go to the Trading Weeks or whatever database you're lost in. Like, let's say you can't find your days, you added them and they're just not showing up. It's because they're being filtered out, but they're still in the database. So if you just click on the name, it'll go to the database itself and you can start to see, okay, where did I forget? And see, for example, here, I didn't actually apply the template. So that's a mistake because it doesn't have the little book icon. So if I open this up, doesn't have the template. So not a big deal. I can just click to add it, but that's one way to sort of catch these mistakes. So if you ever make a mistake and you can't find the page you're looking for, you can't find the trade you're looking for, just go to the actual database that you're looking for something in, and you'll be able to see all the entries. There's different views that I'm about to go over in a different video. So I will show you that in the next video.